welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another curly review. I wasn't planning on videoing my wash routine this morning, but I thought I might as well because I'm trying out this new range from Evo. They have a new curl range. They sent me it last week just to try out. They didn't ask for any content or anything, but I thought I would video my first time using it. My hair gets really itchy when I need to wash it, so it desperately needs a wash. But yeah, this is the card they sent me. It says Evo Curl, a complete range of curl-centric products made specifically for curls, each and every type of them to nourish and feed them, to enhance and not to alter them. Let me know if you guys have tried out Evo before. I haven't. This will be my first time, but I did get my hair styled at an event once, and the stylist used a couple sprays from Evo and she was talking about the Curly Girl method, so I'm pretty sure these are all Curly Girl approved and they follow the Curly Girl method. The term co-wash is used in the Curly Girl method, so I'm guessing this is for people following the Curly Girl method. I personally don't really follow it. I'll go through each product. They have it here on the card. So I got 5 products and I think they accidentally misplaced one because the middle one is the curl treatment. It looks like a spray, but they gave me a different spray, not for curls. Oh, okay, so they sent me 2 wrong products that are not part of the curl range. So they didn't send me the shampoo. They only sent me this conditioner, and then they added in a protein treatment. So I'll just use a random shampoo, I guess, and then I'll try out their Heads Will Roll Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner, Low Foam Cleansing Conditioner. And then when I come out of the shower, I'll use the Curl Balm and the Curl Definer. So I'm guessing this is a cream and this is a gel. Excited! Okay, I'm gonna hop in the shower and I'll see you when my hair is nice and wet. In the shower, I use the Aveda Nutri-Plenish shampoo. This has a really unique smell. It smells so good. And the conditioner that comes with it is really good too. It's a deep moisture range. I think it's for all hair types. It's not just for curls. But yeah, I used that shampoo and then went in with the Co-Wash conditioner. This smells like, it reminded me of one of Fabian's colognes. It smells like men's cologne and I love it. I've never smelled a hair product anything like it. It smells like men's cologne, so if you like the smell of men, then you'll love this. I've always loved the smell of men's cologne, I don't know why. It smells so good. I found this really nice and conditioning. I put it in my hair and then they also sent me this brush. So after I put the conditioner in, I used this and brushed it all throughout my hair. This is a way better brush than the one I have used in the past year. I just used whatever brush I had and it's just like a normal little skinny brush, but this is nice and wide so it really gets in there and it's a good detangler. Okay, so normally I would go in with a leave-in conditioner, but they didn't really supply one of them. So I'm gonna go in with the Liquid Rollers Curl Balm. Let's test it out. I hope it smells like the conditioner. I'm obsessed. So you like push that down like that. Okay, it doesn't smell like the conditioner, but it does smell really good. They have some really unique smells, but it smells really nice and fresh, kind of like lemony. It's really smooth. It's quite like buttery and creamy. So I think this will be fine working as a leave-in conditioner. As you probably know, I've said I have dry hair, so I'm always like making sure it's getting enough conditioner whenever I wash it. So I'm raking that through. I'm gonna put a bit more. And a bit more at the back. I'm really loving the texture and smell of this. It feels like quite luxurious, and I've never really tried something that's called a balm, and it really does feel like a balm, like a lip balm kind of vibe. I have a good feeling about this, guys. Just massaging my hair all over. Okay, so I feel like that's gone everywhere. Sometimes I would go in with a mousse because that kind of helps ensure definition and volume, but they don't have a mousse in this collection, so I'm going to go straight in with the Total Recoil Curl Definer. I'm guessing this is like a gel. Oh, it says a Stronghold Curl Defining Cream. Let's test it out. So this is more of a thicker consistency than the balm. It smells like the men's cologne. It smells like the conditioner. Yum. I wonder what ingredient makes it smell like this. Okay, so this is quite thick and tacky when going on the hair, so it's kind of like a gel. I'm scrunching this in. Hopefully this isn't a fail video like my last curl routine. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave the link down below. But I used some products that just left my hair so greasy I couldn't even function. I had to rinse my hair out afterwards. So I'm just scrunching, scrunching, scrunching. Now I'm just gonna go through with my Denman brush and define my bangs and stuff. Make sure they get nice and defined curls. Normally I would apply a gel last, but I feel like there is quite a lot of product in my hair, so we'll see how these Evo products perform. I'm loving the smell of all these products in my hair. It smells delicious. I feel like everything's evenly distributed now, so I guess I will air dry for a bit, go clean my room and stuff, and then I'll come back when I'm diffusing and we'll see the results. See you soon. Okay guys, so we're back with the results. I just wanted to show you this is what it's like before I kind of fluff it out and spread the curls out and give it that volume. Some people prefer it like this without all the volume and more just like definition and more, you know, flowing and flat at the top. I'm gonna fluff it up now. Okay, so that's more fluffed up. I feel like some of the product is quite tacky and it hasn't even dried yet, but my hair is actually dry. Like some of the bits here, it's kind of formed a cast. I don't know if that's because I put too much product. I feel like maybe I could have gone with a little less product because it does feel a bit heavy on my hair right now, and it's still, I can feel the product residue coming off my hair when I touch it. I find maybe because I didn't put a leave-in conditioner and they forgot to actually give me the curl treatment intense moisturizing stuff, maybe that would have helped because it does feel a bit dry. I just noticed that it was a bit dry, especially like at the bottom around my hair, but yeah, I don't know if that's just because I didn't put enough product in that area or if the product is drying me out. I'll definitely keep using them and experimenting with them because obviously this is the very first time using it, and maybe I should put a bit less. It feels like there's a lot of product at the top and then maybe not enough at the bottom. It's a bit dry down here. But overall I'm happy. They look defined, they look bouncy, they look quite shiny. The definition is definitely there and there's not much frizz happening at the top, which is always a plus. It's also a matter of seeing how long the product lasts, if my hair is going to be frizzy tomorrow or the day after. Let me try different lighting. But it does look very lush and shiny and defined. It's holding up volume well. Sometimes when I use moisturizing products, the volume doesn't stay up after I fluff it. Like it's quicker to go flat again because the moisturizing product is weighing it down, but this is good volume. I feel like it's keeping volume at the roots. Yeah, they look lush, so I would recommend this product for you guys to try out, especially if you want to follow the curly girl method. I feel like the product is taking a while to dry in some bits, like it kind of built up in some curls, but hopefully that will dry soon. As I was air drying and walking around with my wet hair, I just kept getting whiffs of the smell. I was like, it smells like Fabian's cologne. So some people might not like the smell if you're not into men's cologne. That's just what it reminds me of. It might not even smell like that to other people, but I love the smell, and I feel like that's one of the big reasons why I'll be using these again. It's just something really unique, and I've never had a brand with that kind of smell. But yeah, I think the whole range doesn't have any sulfates or parabens. It's gonna keep my hair healthy, and I think overall I'm approving. I'm just going to be experimenting with how much to put in, and also probably using them with a leave-in conditioner as well. Let me know your thoughts on these results, and let me know if you've tried out this range, if you think I should do something different next time. Don't forget to like this video if you haven't already, and subscribe. I've done a lot of other reviews of different curly brands, so check that out on my channel. Let me know if there's any other brands you want me to review, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!